Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to help our Raptor to breathe and sound a whole lot better. The F-150 Raptor is a great truck in stock form, but it's a little bit too quiet for our taste. So today we're going to be installing this Flowmaster upgraded muffler assembly on our 2017 F-150 Raptor. This Flowmaster FlowFX Muffler Assembly is designed to be a direct fit replacement for the factory muffler. It was made right here in the USA of 3-inch mandrel-bent stainless steel tubing with a straight-through muffler design for improved sound and performance. It utilizes the factory mounting location, so there's no need for cutting or welding, and it saves you money by allowing you to use the factory matte black tips and tailpipes. Tools you'll need for this installation: a lift or a jack and jack stands, 10mm socket, 3/8 ratchet, 15mm socket, 1/2-inch ratchet, and a 15mm wrench. To install this Flowmaster muffler upgrade, we have to remove the factory muffler and tailpipes, but this front section is going to remain on the truck. The first thing we're going to do is remove this bracket here on the tailpipes. Remove both 10mm nuts from each bracket. The brackets on each tailpipe can then be removed as well. Loosen the 15mm nut on the clamp and remove the tailpipe, and then do the same thing to the other side. Next, we're going to loosen the 2 clamps at the front of the muffler so the muffler can be removed. The muffler can now be removed. With the factory muffler removed, you can now install your upgraded Flowmaster muffler. We have to get it into both exhaust hangers and then into the front pipes. Get both the hangers on and slide the muffler assembly into the resonator. Slide the coupling clamp over the muffler. Both clamps can now be tightened. Install the provided clamps over the muffler outlets. Then the tailpipes can be installed. Reinstall these tailpipes the same way that you removed them. Reinstall the hangers with the factory hardware. Reinstall the bracket at the exhaust tip. Okay, so we got all of our clamps tight and we made sure to remove all the laser film off the muffler, and now our installation's finished. All right, let's hear how it sounds. Okay, we got our Flowmaster muffler upgrade installed on our 2017 Raptor. Overall, I think this is a really good deal. It's going to make your Raptor sound a lot more aggressive, but it's going to save you money too because you don't need to replace the factory tailpipes, and you get to keep those nice matte black tips. Installation is pretty easy. It's probably going to take you about 2 hours, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.